In the button charm or button ornament series, we are going to make this double layered flower. For this I am using Baroque crochet cotton 1.75 mm crochet hook. I will of course use a pair of scissors and a darning needle. I am going to make a magic ring and put 18 single crochet in the magic ring. After 18 single crochet, I am going to slip stitch into very first single crochet, and this will be my base round or center. Chain 1 and single crochet in the same space. Chain 3, skip 2 and single crochet. Chain 3, skip 2 and single crochet. Chain 3, skip 2. Likewise, we will have total number of petals 6. Chain 3 and slip stitch into very first single crochet. Now third and the last line. Chain 1. Now we will be working in these arches. Chain 1, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 half double crochet in one arc, and then single crochet on single crochet. Again go to the next arc, 1 HDC, 3 DC, one HDC and single crochet on single crochet. I will complete all other petals and see you. I am back with another scrap yarn project, and this time it is going to be button ornament. For making butterfly button ornament, I am going to need scrap yarn, 2.5 mm crochet hook, darning needle and pair of scissors. I am going to make a magic ring and put 18 single crochet in the magic ring. After 18 single crochet, I am going to pull the thread in the center and close the loop by doing a slip stitch in the very first single crochet. This is going to be my center and this will accommodate the button. Now chain 3. I will make 3 double triple crochet. So yarn over 3 times, go to the next space and make a double triple crochet. So yarn over thrice, go to the next space, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and finally pull through 2. One more. I will make 4 double triple crochet in the next 4 spaces. I am done with 4 double triple crochets. Now chain 3 and slip stitch into same space. Now slip stitch into next space, chain 2. Now I will do 3 double crochet in next 3 spaces. And again chain 2, slip stitch into next space, slip stitch into again next space, chain 2, 3 double crochets in next 3 spaces, chain 2, slip stitch into next space, slip stitch into next space, chain 3, now double triple crochet in the same space. When I say double triple crochet, I am yarning over 3 times, then inserting the hook, pull up a loop, total 5 loops on my hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and finally pull through 2. Now chain 3 and slip stitch into same stitch. So this is how our butterfly is ready. Now we need to do the antennas. So chain 5, leaving 1 stitch, start doing line of slip stitch. Go to the main center piece, again chain 5, leave first chain from the hook and start doing slip stitches. Slip stitch on the first line, pull up a loop and cut the yarn. Now I will weave in this end and my butterfly button ornament is ready. You can do all butterflies with same color, or you can do each butterfly in different color. Few people like to do antennas with different colors. My concern is handling of the ornament. More number of knots means more chances of frogging them. So I avoid as many knots as I can, and if the piece is made with single thread, it has more probability to last long.